Hello everyone, welcome back. This is KHS for After Effects tutorial channel, and here is another very exciting tutorial how to create a 3D graph and showing the rank of percentage by Adobe After Effects Element 3D. Let's start. First go to After Effects, create a new project and new composition, and right here 3D graph. Set the time 5 seconds. Press enter and then first create a new solid white color, and right here background. Lock the background and go to new solid again, and right here 3D. So go to effects, video copilot, element 3D. Then go to effect control. So here is create 3D box, and then scale up the y-axis like this and move it top of the grid here, and go to box model, physical, set the box material golden and go to environment, change the environment reflection and set the lighting 360. So create another new plan and rotate right here 250, 270 and move front of the box. So apply material on this one. So go to picture, diffuse, select the picture from desktop, press Ctrl or scroll up, select this picture, press OK and change the color white and bright, and scale from the white. Here is move this group to and create another plan, close this one, create another plan, scale up the size of this plan because this is floor. Apply material and press OK. And now create a new camera, 24 millimeters, press OK and zoom out. Orbit the camera, zoom out, orbit, move it down. So go to element 3D, 3D renders, lighting, change 360, go to layer, select the camera layer and go to layer, camera setting, turn off depth of field, turn off this one, and select the background, press Ctrl Shift plus Y on keyboard, change the material like this, press OK and select the 3D and go to additional lighting, rotation, I think change the environment reflection image from the backlights 2K. Here is the base reflections, press OK, OK, looking good. So now let's make motion for the box. Go to object 1, particle replicator, Ctrl Z, go to scene setup. Here is the group 1. Change the plan to group 3 and press OK. So now move the box down here, stopwatch, go to 1 second and press shift, fast move here. Play now. Here is the label, and group 2 is belong to picture, photo. So go to particle replicator. Here is the picture. Let's apply a CC page turn effect. CC page turn. Apply this effect. No. Cancel this one because the all 3D elements in one layer. And move the picture from down stopwatch, go to 1 second 30 frame, move it up like this. Play now. Here is and let's create another new solid. Before creating new solid, you can import the flag to your composition the easy way. Scale down the size. Don't forget save your project. Save. Select the picture and go to effects, Zixworks, 3D flag. Here is the 3D flag. So now change the flag size to 400. Let's change 600 and right click, fit to comp. Flag pool medium, and now change the flag size 200, the flag pool short. This one is looking good, and move behind of the box. And go to attach to layer. Which layer? 3D layer. Attach to 3D layer, turn off the layer and select the flag. Ctrl Z. Move up and move here. Play. So where is the other colors? Let's check. Changing the size 200. There is the 3D layer and there is the control of the position. Change back to none. Select the 3D flag and reset. And now time to add the flag. Drop the flag to your composition and press S for scale down the size and go to effects, Zixworks, 3D flag. Apply this and move the flag behind of the element 3D like this and press S. Scale up the size, fit. Okay, let's animate the flag. Control your camera let's move the camera. Where is the flag? Because the flag is 3D. Select, go to position, pull position, move here and move it top. Let's change to 0. So after image, select, press Alt, break and stopwatch, pull position y-axis and move it up. Move up right here. And don't forget, there is another setting in 3D flag logo. You can change the flag to the America. Press OK. Here is changed. So create another new solid, black solid. For creating the light, go to effects, stylize, no light factory, and select this lighting and move top of the 3D. Change the mode to add. Press Ctrl, down the size, play now, select the lighting and move it here. Play, here is. And don't forget, create text right here, Elon Musk. So select your 3D element and go to custom layers, text and mask, select the Elon Musk, go to scene setup and then extrude. Here is the Elon Musk. Go to presets, bevel, double click. This one is looking pretty good and move it up. Change the materials, change this material and change this one to simple white and press OK. And now turn off the Elon Musk and select the element 3D. Don't forget, select the text model, change to 4 and press OK. Here is the text. So close the other groups and go to group 4, particle replicator, move top of the plan and right of the box, scale up the size, press Ctrl, move here. So now turn on the ambient occlusion, for the base shadow and 3D shadow. So you can animate, play, select the text, double click, enter 22.5.2 billion dollar. So turn off, select again the element 3D and go to group 4 and move it up. play now. Here is. Okay guys, there is the final result. There's some problem with reflection. Let's change or check some of the best reflection for the footage. This one is looking good. And don't forget, select the background, press Ctrl